The site is located at Mukim Jelutong, which is under the local authority of Majlis Bandaraya Iskandar Puteri. The area of land for the proposed development is 27,938 square meters, which equivalent to 3.79 hectare. Site environment analysis is carried out to identify the community in the proposed project area. Table below shows the land use for Majlis Perbandaran Iskandar Puteri in year 2018. The highest percentage of land is used for agriculture and then followed by transportation and residential. The proposed development is residential apartment project. These are the front view and back view of the proposed site. Site preparation work such as earth moving, cutting and excavation works and an extra work which is blasting is required, as there are lots of stones on the proposed construction site. This will require an extra cost and time. Whether the infrastructure and utilities facilities is existing nearby the proposed site is very important. The proposed site consists of all the necessary infrastructure and utilities facilities due to the nearby area was developed. The facilities available are sewerage system, drainage, water supply, telecommunication system, and electricity supply. The proposed site for our project is close to Jalan Nisa Parentis, Malaysia-Singapore second link, Leberaya Nisajaya, and Leberaya Kota Iskandar. Therefore, all materials and plants needed for construction work should be arranged on schedule to avoid any consequences and traffic jam. The proposed area is surrounded by several types of residential developments such as apartments, terraces and semi-D houses. There are many commercial buildings such as shop lots, hotels, restaurants, and others. There are lots of public development located near to our proposed site such as schools, police station, fire rescue station, One Malaysia Clinic, prayer hall, futsal court, and football field. Furthermore, our proposed site is also located near to many famous shopping mall, leisure park, and also transportation line. Southern Industrial and Logistics Clusters, SILC, which is main industrial area in Iskandar Puteri region. The industrial development would create many employment opportunities for the residents at the nearby area. The Majlis Bandaraya Iskandar Puteri consists of 6 administrative areas such as Iskandar Puteri, Sekude, Galang Patah, Kangkar Pulat, Tanjung Kupang and Tanjung Pelipas. The proposed site are located at Galang Patah under Mukim Jelutong. According to the Department of Statistics, the total for Johor state is 3,742,200 people, whereas in Johor Bahru district is to be total as 1,386,569 people in 2010. Johor Bahru take up 37% of Johor population and it targeted to achieve 2 million people in the future development. Trading and business involved study on the economic development surrounds a certain area. Around Johor Bahru, there are several new residential development near proposed which can create competition with the proposed site, and most of the project are landed building. There are various commercial developments within the area of Galang Patah and its neighboring areas such as Bazar Madin Anjung Nisajaya, Ian Mall Bukit Indah, Tesco Bukit Indah, Mall of Medani, Legoland, and Paradigm Mall. This commercial development consists of retail, entertainment, and F&B space, and it is a place created to bring together the very best elements of urban life under one roof. There are few industrial developments near to the proposed development site which shown as follow: I Park at Sina Airport City, Sina, I Park at Indipura, Bandar Indipura, and Eco Business Park 1, Tabrau, Iskandar, Malaysia. A total of 1,064 manual stations located within 143 river basins throughout Malaysia. Water quality data were used to determine the water quality status, whether in clean, slightly polluted or polluted category, and to classify the rivers in class I, 2, 3, 4 or V based on Water Quality Index, WQI, and interim national water quality standards for Malaysia, NWQS, every year. In 2014 data, out of the 473 rivers monitored, 58.1% were asserted to be clean, 36.6% were slightly polluted and another 5.3% were found to be polluted. Air quality in the country is monitored continuously through 51 stations and manually to detect any changes in the ambient air quality status that may cause harm to human health and the environment. According to the data obtained from DO of Malaysia, the air quality within Johor is still stable. Therefore we can conclude that Johor Bahru is free from air pollution as air condition is in status of moderate and good. It shows that the proposed site is free from air pollution. For consultant and project team, it also consider to appoint from a nearby consultant firm and construction companies as shown. For supply of building material, these are several supplier for respective material that are located nearby to the site which can reduce cost. In construction, the use of plant and machinery is dependent on the contractor whether they want to use their plant and machinery, or rent with other parties. The Malaysian economy advanced 4.7% year-on-year in the fourth quarter of 2018. For economic of construction sector, it is also increased gradually from 2015 to 2017. During the period of 2015 and 2017, the value of gross output by sector increased 7.2% per annum. The value added in the construction sector for 2017 recorded Rm 72.6 billion. Number of persons engaged and salaries and wages was registered highest by civil engineering subsector. Based on Department of Statistic, labor force participation rate is 69% and unemployment rate is 3% while the working age population is between 15 to 64 years. Labor force participation rate increased 68.5% on October 2018. Economic performance of Johor is increasing as Johor Bahru is the second largest city in Malaysia. According to Economic Planning Unit, Johor economy increased from Rm 74.1 billion in 2010 to Rm 93.7 billion in 2014. The proposed development for this project is located under administration of MBIP which covers 56,119.92 hectare of land. The proposed development is on the Gelong Patah BP7 and covers 2,267.37 hectare from total area of Johor Bahru and Kulajaya district. The proposed site is located in the area of Taman Mas which the site area 3.7939 hectare at block 7.2. Referring to the planning block of Taman Nas Apparentis/Taman Mas show residential, commercial, industrial, community facilities, open space, recreation and reservation of transportation. Main development zone proposal in Gelong Patah are Legoland, Medina Mall, Puteri Harbour, Pinewood Studio, Family Entertainment Center and Stadium JDT. For the SWOT analysis, this project has strategic location of proposed development due near to facility and mall. The weakness of this project is lack of public transport. This project has high purchasing power from foreign investors such as Singaporean. The threat is uncertainty of global economy currently which might affects the spending habit of customer. The proposed project for the site selection on is apartment residence. It had an excellent amenities and conveniences nearby. The concept of this proposed project of development is a more to modern design concept and world-class facilities. In addition, this building are also expected to be low-cost maintenance but more protection and unique. For the future prospect, it is expected to be a strategic location as it is surrounded by excellent amenities and conveniences nearby. It is also nearby Nasajaya, which locate the Johor government administration. It is also have an easy access of land road with nearby expressway and main road. Based on the proposed project selected, the best group's target for this project development is worker at nearby industry area and government administration. In addition, property investor might also interested in this development because it has a huge potential to be as surrounding area are rapidly developed. The overall site and location analysis has proven that the proposed site is very strategic place to develop the proposed project. It can conclude that the existing strength and opportunities of the proposed will give a high potential to get success for the proposed project.